the waste to screen. Let's use method number 1. I'm going to use method number 2 on the next video, so stay tuned and remember to subscribe. Press Ctrl and select freehand stroke. Reduce the focus shift to -100 to get a sharp edged mask. Activate the cylinder subtool layer. Method number 1 uses mask pen to create the top of the skirt. Zoom in close enough so that it's easier to paint on the mask just beyond the skin. Press Alternate to erase the painted mask. Rotate it if you can't see the edge of the skin. Ctrl W to polygrip it. Press F to fit to screen.